This is Tim Gerhards with TG Products. We're at Carl's Bodyshop in St. Helena, California with lead technician Steve Bishop, who is working on a 2006 Chevy Tahoe with front frame damage. Here are some quick clips from his repair.
Let's see if that's going to be enough. And I'm going to go a little bit further back in there.
About all I want to do to that until
Go like so. So we're going to go all the way back to the rail. Yeah, back to the rail. Right there. Okay. Come a little bit forward. Probably going to want
Work on this area right there.
and I'll go right there. That's what caught me the last time.
Yeah.
It snapped. There she goes. So it should be right there. There she goes. There she goes. There it is.
Yeah, all good.
Just tap that just a tad. Marvelous.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what do you think of this tool so far?
It's great. I like it. Just saved a lot of time right there from trying to get back in there and having to heat that area and somehow try to get it back, especially back far in here,
Right, right.
you know. There we go.
No heat there, right?
Beat that.